Hola Amigos, we are The Roots. On this vlog, we are sharing with you our ups and multiple downs on our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. So please tag along on this journey.
On today's episode, as we continue on our way to Yellowstone, we got a little taste of Idaho. We visit my family, got to see the falls, and of course stop at some of the tourist traps.
If you saw our previous videos, then you know we are in our first road trip on our for now rolling tent. So welcome back. Again, quick recap. We left Phoenix, we went to Sequoia National Park, then Yosemite, then San Francisco, then we kept going exploring the Oregon coast all the way to Portland. After that, we visited Twin Falls, finally trying to make it to Yellowstone and the Grand Teton to finalize to Zion National Park before getting back home. On this video, as we make our way to Yellowstone, we stop at Twin Falls. The drive on the east side of Oregon and getting into Idaho is drier. It's way less green than Oregon. It has its own beauty. It looks more like the Southwest in around Arizona and Southern California. It has its little patches of green and lush, but they're few and seldom. We saw a few grass fires that remind us pretty much to Arizona. Anyway, we got to Twin Falls and we struggled to find a space in a campground. So we were about to boondock into a local park in a kind of sketchy area when all of a sudden this angel of God show up, a local lady. So she showed up and gave us indications to this little jewel that they have. It's close to a landmark called Balancing Rock. I mean, I'm regret that I didn't ask her name. But I hope she sees this video, and I would like her to know that we are really, really thankful for her help, because the place was absolutely beautiful. It totally felt like an oasis in the middle of the desert. Very beautiful and very peaceful too. So where are we, Mr. Root?
I don't know.
Balancing Rock.
Oh, Balanced Rock Park, Idaho, out of Filer.
Yes,
which is just outside of
Twin Falls. This place is bitchin' and it's free.
And it's free.
Incredible. It's like a little canyon with a little creek Has water. Yeah, it doesn't have electricity hookups or flushing toilets or showers, but you're self-contained, I guess, is freaking awesome.
And you can fish in here. Oh, look at the otters! Look at the otters!
Oh my God, it has otters, Bryan.
We saw some up creek. We saw some up creek.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at the otters.
Oh. Are you serious?
Look, I see it. The sea grass.
Wow.
Creek grass.
So pretty here.
You can fish in here too.
I'm sure.
Oh, look at that.
Look at the otter. Look at it.
Oh.
Oh my God, it's so cute. The following morning, we make our way out of the canyon towards Twin Falls. The day before, we were honestly really tired, and we weren't really able to appreciate the beauty of the farmland. But this morning, we admired the farming of this area. Very impressive. And so, after a short drive, we finally made it to the spectacular Snake River Canyon to admire the Shoshone Falls, all 212 feet of them. They are also called the Niagara of the West. And they are spectacularly framed by the rocky canyon walls. The place is very, very, very stunning. So what do you think about it? You like it? The drive in and out of the canyon is a little scary on the bus because the bus is so freaking huge and the drive is very narrow, but we survive it regardless.
Watch your head, because you'll hang yourself.
Yeah.
It's on the gas.
Don't run over anything. We also used this opportunity to visit Bryan's family that lived not too far away from the falls, and the kids had a blast playing on the grass.
Quiero ese hombre que me sepa amar, que me además de novia también sea amigo. Sos justo, no veo que casualidad. Más rico es el poder conectarse.
Really? Pinche latoso. You just gotta come in, dude.
Can you stop? I'm not gonna.
Although some were a little bit more worried about their phones, of course. And as we make our way to Yellowstone, The following day, we stopped at the Yellowstone Bear World, a truly fun tourist trap. Kids were amazed with the bears. We basically drove through the park. There were bears everywhere, and the bears are right there next to you. We could almost touch them. And they have an area where they have these bear cubs. There is nothing cuter in the world to see little bears goofing around and bully themselves. They're so cute. They are seriously like toddlers. So cute, so adorable. And so silly. Hi guys. So it's okay, go ahead.
We didn't even know we were supposed to spin them.
Oh well.
We were so confused.
The drive from Shore City to West Yellowstone is beautiful too. It's a combination of wooded mountains and grassy plains. Absolutely gorgeous. There is so much to see along the way. But again, we were short on time and we need to make our way to Yellowstone. So one day we will come back here too. This area is absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully we will be able to explore it.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.